Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to square a number in Excel. Let's get started. Squaring a number simply means multiplying the number by itself, or raising it to the power of 2. Let's start with the first method, which involves multiplying the number by itself. Select the target cell and type the equal sign. Next, click on the cell containing the number you want to multiply. In our case, it's B2. Then type the asterisk representing multiplication in Excel and click on the cell containing the number again. This action instructs Excel to multiply the number in B2 by itself. Now press Enter, and here is the result. 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. To apply the formula to multiple cells, drag the bottom right corner of the cell across the cells below to square all the numbers in the data table. Let's proceed. Clear the results. And we'll now explore the second method of squaring numbers, this time using a function. Click on the target cell again, type the equal sign, and begin typing power. Select the suggested function. Now you'll need two parameters. The first one is number, representing the number we want to raise to an exponent. In this case, it's the number in B2. Next, add a comma to define the power. The power represents the exponent to which we want to raise the number. Since we're squaring the number, the power will be 2. If we were to raise it to the power of 3, we'd enter 3, and so on. Now that both details are specified, close the brackets, press Enter, and you're done. Quick and easy, right? You can replicate the function by dragging the bottom right corner of the cell to apply the formula to the rest of the table and obtain results for all the numbers. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.